Just so you understand, it was either 20 days in jail or write a 17-page paper. So as you can see, the judge was on a little power trip. Now, this all came to head when Judge Glanville decided to have a private meeting with the prosecutor and a key witness in the case after that witness had testified the day before. So here's a quick recap of what happened. Rapper Lil Woody, Kenneth Copeland, didn't want to rat out his friends. So the state gave him immunity and forced him to testify. He refused to testify on Friday, went to jail, came back Monday, and then had to testify. During the time where he refused to testify and when he was forced to testify, he had a private conversation with the judge. The defendant had a constitutional right to be in that room to hear that conversation. That didn't happen. So then Young Thug's attorney Brian Steele brought it to the judge's attention, said he wanted a mistrial for the judge to address the ex parte communication. The judge got mad, said he wanted to know who snitched him out, and then threw Brian Steele, Young Thug's attorney, in jail.
Rapper Young Thug's attorney will have to report to jail this weekend after he was taken into custody and charged with contempt of court. The fiery moment between Brian Steele and the judge is actually going viral now after Steele refused to answer how he heard about a secret meeting between prosecutors, the judge, and a key witness in the YSL trial. Now Steele will have to serve 10 weekends in jail and is requesting to do so in Cobb County with his client, Young Thug.
Now, every legal commentator on YouTube thought this judge had gone too far, myself included. I thought this was a ridiculous ruling to put this lawyer in jail because he did have a good faith basis to bring his motion. Here's Legal and Bruce Rivers also claiming that this was insanity.
The bottom line is that Brian Steele made a motion in good faith about a meeting that should not have occurred without the defense present, and he's being thrown in jail for it. And if you're a lawyer and the judge sends you to jail, there's probably not much you can do.
I don't think this was the right thing for the judge to do. I think the judge was getting vindictive because he thought that something inappropriate happened. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. But understand the indignation that Mr. Steele's experiencing. Because here you have a witness that's been sworn. There's been some testimony that's been taken. Now you take this witness, bring him into the judge's chambers, and you're not being given a transcript of what they fucking talked about? I mean, how do we not know that the judge is intimidating that witness with jail if he doesn't testify a certain way?
So now, universally, from left-wing, right-wing, center-wing sources, everyone says this was the wrong thing to do. But now, if you're the defense counsel, what do?